Hey guys, let's make this simple dinner. My sister-in-law gave us this fish and we decided to make something beautiful out of it. First, clean your fish very well. Yes, very important. Make sure you wash. You can wash with salt, you can wash with lemon juice, depending on what is available. Clean it very well. If there is still these things on it, scales on it, so just try your best to clean it and make sure it's beautiful cleaned. Now cut through it, very important. You need to give marks, cut. These beautiful cuts will help your ingredients, will help your sauce penetrate right into the fish so that when you start eating, you will enjoy your fish very well. You're welcome to Mrs. Peace channel. In this channel, I talk about my life in the UK, things happening around me, and I also do cooking videos, very important. So be a part of this lovely channel only by liking, subscribing, and opening up your notification bell to be getting alerts of my video whenever I post. Yes, so after washing my fish, I got my lemon. You can see I'm using lemon to wash it very well. Even lemon has a very beautiful taste when it comes to fish. So wash and make sure you clean it very well. Okay, for the pepper mix, we'll be using shombo to do this here. Make sure you clean your shombo very well. I'm putting one pepper inside this shombo for now. Just clean through it, very important. Remove the seed because there is this saying, if you add the seed, it will make your food bitter. I don't know whether it's true, but I don't want to take any risks, so I love removing mine. And don't mind me this thinking I'm washing with hot water because of the pretty weather we have here is cold. So right away, I blend my shombo and I pour into a pot to dry it out in the fire. Don't forget I added a little bit of water to blend it, so I need to dry out that water and set it aside. Yes, inside my blender I added pepper, ginger, garlic, and I have this little parsley in the house. You can see the shombo is dried now. I'll put a little bit of fresh parsley inside the ginger, garlic, onion and pepper, and I'll blend. Look at that beauty. I have to pour a little bit of olive oil into my dried shombo. You can use normal vegetable oil, no problem. So stir it a little bit and I started to fry it out. Yes, pour in this beautiful pepper mix inside and I start stirring. Right away, you need to spice it up just the way you want. Add your seasoning cubes, salt, depending on what you want to add, and you test if you're okay with it. You can also support with small oil if you want more oil to it. It's still okay. Just cook or dry or fry, just the way you want. Look at that beauty. This tastes so amazing, especially with the presence of parsley. Is a game changer. But don't forget, it's optional. If you can get parsley, it's a good deal, but if you cannot, no problem. So check very well to adjust your spices. Make sure everything is okay, beautifully and nice. Yes, make sure everything is okay. So I topped a little bit of oil, seasoning cube, and I topped a little bit of salt. Yeah, like I said, check whether you need extra. If you don't need extra, you are okay. So at this point, I love lemon juice in my sauce, especially when I'm making it for fish barbecue. I love adding a little bit of lemon juice to it. So just cut out your lemon and you squeeze it into this beautiful sauce you're seeing. You can see this sauce is looking great. Everything looks so amazing as you're looking at it now. So squeeze in your lemon juice, squeeze it right in. Yes, you can do just one, is okay. You can see the seed that it just entered, so I have to remove the seed. Very important to me. And that is all. My sauce is ready. So look at that fish. I have to cut into two because today I'll be using my air fryer to do this beauty. Yeah, I have to like go round with salt. Yes, that's the way I make my. You can try my own, and I know you to come out beautiful and perfect. So go in with a little bit of salt, round your fish, round your fish, round your fish, round your fish. Yes. Now you take a little bit of your pepper mix and start taking it around inside your fish. Yeah, you can put on glove because if you're scared of pepper like me. So I use glove to like make sure I rub in this beautiful sauce inside this fish. Yeah, take your time to this because it's very, very important. Very, very important and okay to do. So if you have not liked my video, you are wrong. Isn't this beautiful? Like my video, subscribe if today is your first time of watching, and don't forget to open up your notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. So after doing this, you put it on top of your air fryer rag. Yeah, that's it. So you can put pepper if you want. If you cannot put pepper, no problem. So I have to take a little bit of my olive oil and go in the top of my, so that it will be easy for me to flip over when I start flipping it over. Yes, that's why you have to use what do you call it, vegetable oil to rub. So inside my air fryer, I'll put the fish. Yes, and I will close it. If you could love air fryer, please, I don't know about you, but this is the best air fryer I've ever used. I've not used before. This is my first time and I'm enjoying that. So start cleaning my plantain. Yeah, I'm using semi-ripe plantain and I'm using unripe plantain. One thing about me using this air fryer, at every minute, just like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I have to be checking what I'm doing because this air fryer is very, very fast that you can ever imagine. Please don't do this. So you can use something when you want to turn, but don't mind my hand. My hand has been like a sacrificial lamb all the way from the one. I have always taken a lot of risk when it comes to fire, but no problem, don't mind it. I'm preparing this for me and my hubby to enjoy with my kids. So right away I closed it because, like I said, keep checking it, keep being around and keep checking. So I have to place some plantain around it, and the rest will be fried. Yes, this one is just like a semi-ripe plantain. It's okay. I'll be frying it with my yam. I'll be frying the both. This is the way I cut my yam when I want to fry it, so that it will look exactly it looks so attractive. That's the main thing. So if you love this way, try it. It's nice. If you fry your yam like this, I don't know how to say it, but just try it. You will enjoy it if you've not done it this way before. So I start with frying my plantain. After frying my plantain, don't forget, I'll keep your eyes very close to your air fryer. If you're using air fryer for this, you can see that's why I was able to rub that oil, yet it's still a bit stuck. So I have to try to turn and make sure everything is pretty okay. I put some salt in the yam and I have to like turn and get it set. Fry my plantain, set it out and get ready for the yam. Right away, I'm done frying the yam. My yam is ready. Everything is ready right now. So it's time to like serve. Yes. You can prepare food when you don't serve it neatly. When you don't present it well, it will not be enjoyed. Yes. You heard me. You can prepare good food. When you don't like serve it well, when you don't like present it well, maybe people will not enjoy it exactly the way it is in your heart. You won't understand the mystery, but I know what I'm saying. When you prepare good food, please serve it well. I have to like arrange and make this thing look so attractive, so that if you're looking at it, your eyes will first eat before your mouth will start eating. And my husband really appreciated it. From the look, he was so impressed and happy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.